Welcome to Dependable Dumpster Service, your go-to provider for construction dumpster rental in South Carolina. Whether you're managing a home renovation, a large-scale construction project, or a commercial build, we have the perfect dumpster to meet your needs. Our team specializes in providing timely, reliable, and affordable dumpster rental services to help keep your job site clean and organized. With our wide range of dumpster sizes, you'll find exactly what you need to handle all the debris and waste generated by your construction project. What sets us apart from the competition? At Dependable Dumpster Service, we take pride in our commitment to fast and efficient service. We understand the demands of construction work, which is why we offer flexible rental periods, same-day delivery, and pickup services. Whether you're working on a small residential renovation or a major commercial project, our durable dumpsters can handle everything from wood and drywall to concrete and metal scraps. Plus, our experienced team is always here to provide guidance on the right size for your project to ensure you're never overpaying for space you don't need. At Dependable Dumpster Service, we don't just handle your waste, we do it responsibly. We make eco-friendly waste disposal a priority by ensuring that as much of your construction debris as possible is recycled or repurposed. Our goal is to minimize landfill waste and reduce the environmental impact of your project. Additionally, customer satisfaction is our top priority, and we're here to ensure your construction site remains safe and debris-free. Let us handle your waste so you can focus on getting the job done. Contact us today to schedule your construction dumpster rental.